Video we will discuss about data mining. What is data mining? As you know already what is the data, and mining is means khodna, some digging. Okay, so this is called the data mining, when you have to search some data from mining, and you have to digging, by digging you have to search your useful data. So this is called the data mining. So it's doing many processes like data cleaning, integration, transformation. Like these type of process you have to use, and you can do data mining. So here data mining are the pattern evaluation and presentation. According to your use, you have to use data mining by cleaning, by integration, and by transformation. So here some functions you have to use it. Okay, so before that I want to tell you some advantages. What are the advantages are for the data mining? So advantages are there some, like you can get the useful data which you can use in your future purpose. You can get exactly fruitful data from the database by the data mining. So that will be so much useful. After this only you can get information which will be useful for you, and that will be pattern evaluation and presentation also. Now we will discuss about the applications. What are the applications are there? Market analysis and management, and corporate analysis and risk management. So in the applications, how it will be used? So first one is market analysis and management. In the market analysis and management, how we can use the data mining? Then first one is customer profiling. Means that whatever customers are coming for your product, so you have to save all the information about the customers, like their phone number, like their address, like what product he wanted, like his name, surname, date of birth. Like these type of things you have to store in your database, so that you can get the information whenever you want to use about the particular customer. Next one is identifying customer requirements. For example, one customer wants to buy laptop. So if he interested about to take laptop, that means he needs to use mouse, bluetooth speakers, bluetooth headphones. Like these type of things also he can be want. Okay, so like this type of things you can offer. Okay, so like this identify customer requirements. Next one is cross market analysis. You have to always checking other organization strategies also. Like this, if you have a company who who are making laptops, so other companies laptops also you have to strategy that how much marketing are coming in the market about the other competitor companies laptops. So like this cross market analysis you have to also save. Next one is target marketing. What type of things you want to update, and already in the market it will be available or not. Like this type of strategies also you have to save it. Okay, next determining customer purchasing pattern. What type of customer are coming to your product, and which time they are coming, which time they are interested. For example, every time people saying like in the 26th January, 25th of December, in Raksha Bandhan, in Holi, and any festival seasons, they interested to buy something, right? The new things they are interested to buy. So those timing you have to understand that this time customer can come to the market to buy something. So that time you have to show some offers to attract to your customers. So these are coming on the market strategy and management. Next one is provide summary information. Every time whenever you have to deliver something, then you have to show all the things to your customer. That invoice number, what type of product they are taking, when it will be delivered to you, the customer, when it will be coming from the manufacturing side, all the summary will be provided by you to the customer. That things are increasing your customer service. Okay, so these are coming on the market strategy and management. Next application is coming corporate analysis and risk management. How it will be used? In the finance planning and asset evaluation, in the resource planning you can use it, in the competition planning also it will be used in the corporate analysis and risk management. Okay, I hope now you all understand about the data mining and what are the applications about the data mining. Thank you.